In this video, I am going to teach you how to flatten an AutoCAD drawing. Flattening a drawing is essential when you're working with 3D elements, but need to convert everything into a clean 2D view. It helps remove unwanted elevations or Z-axis data for printing or editing purposes. Let's get started. First, open your AutoCAD and sign into your account. Make sure both the source and destination drawings are open. Next, click the current view label. In this video, it shows as top. This drop-down is usually located in the top left corner of your drawing window. Then, choose a view under the isometric options. This allows you to see the elements in 3D before flattening them. Now, you can pick from Southwest, Southeast, Northeast, or Northwest isometric views. Select the one that best shows the elevation differences in your drawing. And that's how you flatten a drawing in AutoCAD. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe to How to Tutor for more practical tutorials. See you next time!